The guy put all of these lottery tickets inside here. These are all lottery tickets on the fucking food. This guy wanted to win the lottery and shoved all these trashes. Seems like it's been doing that for many days in that poor tree. You like somebody shove stuff in your butt when you're just trying to exist? Send it to the ones you assume do that. There's a fucking park here with a lot of trash cans. There's one here. There's many on the other side too. People don't even use their fucking brain and they buy lottery tickets to get lucky.